How to install the intelligent toilet. First, please measure the distance from the wall to the center of outlet tube that attaches toilet. Rough in 300 mm or 400 mm. Before the installation, please test your water pressure. Make sure pressure greater than or equal to 0.12 megapascal, flow rate greater than or equal to 18 liter per minute. Please open the box and confirm all the parts are included. Wrap the plumber's tape around the valve, and connect the valve with water supply pipe. Before you connect to the hose, please open the valve and flush out the debris first in case of malfunction. Sixth, please install the flanger silica gel on the end of the toilet outlet. Seventh, please lift the toilet, align the drain pipe and put it down gently. Press down evenly on the toilet to set the flanger silica gel down firmly. Eighth, please connect the inlet hose with angle valve. Make sure the inlet hose will not be fold. Please open the angle valve and check if any connector is leaking water. Attention 1. Do not bend the stainless braided hose. Ninth, please press flush key. Check if the toilet could flush. If the flush is not very good, please take out the permanent flow valve which is inside the angle valve and test again. Please observe whether the bottom of the bowl has any leaks. 10th, please use caulk around the base of toilet, then use your fingers to smooth the seal. Please pull the plug. If the toilet has backup power feature, we go 11th part. Please lift the lid and seat up and disassemble the whole bidet seat unit. Install the 9-volt battery at the bottom. Please pay attention to the polarity. Finally, press the flush bottom on the side and confirm whether the flush works while power off. Plug the toilet and confirm all the features like cleaning, drying, warm seat, flushing etc. work well. Last, tell your customers do not use the toilet until 24 hours later. Thank you in advance.